Hello, I'm going to show you how to get onto Canvas to start your online learning. So the first thing you're going to do is go to mountainvilleacademy.org. You're going to come all the way over here to the quick links. You'll see Canvas right here. Go ahead and click on that. From there, that's going to bring you to the login screen. Right here, it says student ID number. This is not your student's ID number. This is actually their email. So go ahead and type in their student email. That'll be their first name, period, last name at mallions.org. Their password will be MA and then their SSID number. Go ahead and press login. That will bring you to your dashboard. So your dashboard will have 2 or more classes onto it. You will have at least a homeroom and a math class. You may have another class if, for instance, you have a library class or something like that. You're going to want to go straight into your homeroom class. From there, you will see the welcome page. This page will basically just tell you how to contact me if you need to get a hold of me. From here, you're going to go to the side, you're going to click on announcements. All of these will not be on yours, so don't worry. On announcements, there is a quick welcome message. If you click on that, you'll be able to read it. It says very similar things to an email I sent out yesterday, but if you ever lose that email, all the information is right here. It might be good to do a quick review of that important information, but it is here for you if you ever lose track of it. Otherwise, go to modules. This is going to be where our daily work is going to be. If it is condensed, it will look like this. Go ahead and click on the day. So if today is Tuesday, this is our sample day, which means this does not have any new information on it. Pretty much everything we ask you to do here is going to be on Wednesday. So if you click on Tuesday, you're going to be able to see that we have put times on each of these. We have also put some breaks in there for you. So we got one break there, another break there. You'll see that we have you finishing at lunchtime. So everything we have you do can be finished before you eat lunch. You can even sleep in a little bit. We don't have you starting until 9. Excellent. Okay, once you get in, each page will have instructions that will be able to guide you through each of the assignments. We've tried to make it very clear, but please let us know if there is any confusion or any questions that you come across. Okay, that is it. Good luck on Canvas. Enjoy your online learning.